Good morning to all. Yes, in the last lecture, we have discussed about water system. Now, today we are discussing two component system, that is a lead silver system. Now, lead silver system is a two component system. Now, in this, there are four phases, that is a solid lead, silver lead, lead and silver in molten state, and vapor. But silver and lead have high boiling point. So the last phase, that is vapor, we cannot consider here. So in vapor lead silver system, the pressure variable is upset, or it has negligible pressure. Now, so the phase diagram of lead silver system is drawn with the help of, or by considering temperature versus composition. Now the phase diagram of this system, the phase diagram of this system is shown in figure. Lead and silver are immiscible. Immiscible means insoluble with each other in liquid state, and they do not react with each other. Now, this is the phase diagram for lead silver system. Now, we have taken on x-axis composition of silver and lead, and on y-axis we have taken, that is the temperature. Now, composition of liquid state is taken on x-axis, that is composition of lead and composition of that is silver is taken on x-axis and temperature on y-axis, and temperature is taken on y-axis, and pressure is kept constant as the boiling point of these metals is very high, so we can neglect the pressure. So pressure variable is absent in this, that is lead silver system. Now, and pressure is kept constant throughout the experiment. Point A is freezing point of pure lead. Point A, if you see the diagram, so point A, as pressure is absent in lead silver system, one variable is absent. So variant can be calculated by using formula F is equal to, we have seen the general Gibbs equation, F is equal to C minus P plus 2. वो वाटर सिस्टम के लिए था और दूसरे सिस्टम के लिए था, बट लीड सिल्वर सिस्टम में क्या है, प्रेशर अब्सेंट है और प्रेशर निग्लिजिबल है, तो आपको एक वेरिएबल माइनस करना है उसमें से। तो F इज इक्वल टू C माइनस P प्लस 2 है, तो प्लस 2 यानी 1 टेम्परेचर है और 1 प्रेशर है, तो एक वेरिएबल उसमें से कम करना है। तो रिड्यूस्ड और कंडेंस्ड फॉर्मूला क्या होगा, फेज रूल का कंडेंस्ड फॉर्मूला, ये भी पूछ देखिए, रिमेंबर फेज रूल हैज 2 formulas. One is Gibbs formula, that is Gibbs phase rule formula, that is or Gibbs phase rule equation, F is equal to C minus P plus 2. And other is in lead silver system, that is one variable is that is a constant, that is pressure is negligible. So in the we have to neglect that variable. So F is equal to C minus P plus 2 के बजाय क्या होगा, plus 1 होगा, क्योंकि plus 2 क्या है, one variable is of temperature and one variable of pressure, but in lead silver system, that is a pressure variable is absent. So we the phase rule equation for lead silver system is F is equal to C minus P plus 1. Remember that plus 2 नहीं है, plus 2 किसके लिए है, Gibbs formula अगर पूछा गया एग्जामिनेशन में ऑब्जेक्टिव में, तो F is equal to C minus P plus 2. और कंडेंस्ड फॉर्मूला या रिड्यूस्ड, उसको कम करके जो फॉर्मूला किया गया है वो है F is equal to C minus P plus 1. Remember that, where F is equal to degree of freedom, C is equal to component, P is equal to phase, and plus 1 because only one variable, that is temperature, is there. Understand? So remember that 2 formulas, Gibbs phase rule equation, F is equal to C minus P plus 2. लेकिन condensed phase rule equation या रिड्यूस्ड, उसको कम करके जो इक्वेशन दिया गया है उसमें एक जो वेरिएबल है कम करना है, प्लस 2 के बजाय क्या करना है आपको, प्लस 1. प्लस 2 यानी एक टेम्परेचर का वेरिएबल है और एक प्रेशर का है, लेकिन कंडेंस फॉर्मूले में क्या होगा, प्रेशर अब्सेंट है, सो प्लस 1 होगा. सो F is equal to C minus P plus 1. Remember that, and this formula is used for lead silver system, condensed phase rule equation or reduced phase rule equation. Remember that formula, that is condensed or reduced phase rule equation. Understand? So reduced phase rule equation is F is equal to C minus P plus 1. Remember, see the difference, दोनों में difference देखिए, Gibbs phase rule equation plus 2 है और यहाँ पर क्या है, condensed और reduced phase rule equation में plus 1 है. That is the difference. plus 1 क्यों है, क्योंकि plus 2 दो वेरिएबल थे वहां पे, टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर. तो ये जो लीड सिल्वर सिस्टम में क्या है, या रिड्यूस्ड या कंडेंस्ड फेज रूल इक्वेशन में क्या है, प्रेशर निग्लिजिबल है, प्रेशर कांस्टेंट है, सो वी हैव टू माइनस 1 वेरिएबल. सो F is equal to C minus P plus 1. दैट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. ये दोनों पूछते एग्जामिनेशन में कि कंडेंस्ड फेज रूल या रिड्यूस्ड फेज रूल इक्वेशन या गिब्स फेज रूल इक्वेशन. गिब्स फेज रूल F is equal to C minus P plus 2, while condensed or reduced phase rule F is equal to C minus P plus 1. Remember that, that is very important. Now, and pressure is kept constant throughout the experiment. Point A is freezing point of pure lead. See, if you see the point A, this is the point A in diagram, and it is called as freezing point of, that is pure lead. Freezing point of pure lead. Remember the value of this highest temperature of freezing point of, that is lead, is 327. 327. Now, it means solid and liquid phase are lead are D in equilibrium, solid or liquid. Now at this point A, solid and liquid are in equilibrium. These are the liquid and this is the solid. So solid, liquid are in equilibrium. So at point A, the two phases are in equilibrium, that is solid and liquid. So what is the degree of freedom then? Now, if the silver is added in it, its freezing point decreases. Freezing point क्या हो रहा है देखिए, decrease हो रहा है if silver is added. If you see here, that is here lead is 100% and silver is 0%, and we are adding silver. So after addition of that is a silver, the boiling point decreases, freezing point decreases. Here देखिए 327 था, लेकिन at point O और D पर कितना हो रहा है 303. So that is freezing point decreases and lead का परसेंटेज क्या हो रहा है, कम हो रहा है. that is and सिल्वर का परसेंटेज ज्यादा हो रहा है from left to right. lead 100% है और 0% that is silver है, और on right hand side 0% lead है और 100% that is silver है. Understand? So freezing point decreases and solid, lead and solution of silver in lead or liquid come in equilibrium. So we get curve A. So when they are in equilibrium, so which curve is obtained here? So this curve AO curve is obtained. Freezing of this AO curve is called as freezing of, that is lead. Okay. Now at O, silver is 2.6% and at point B, freezing B is freezing point of pure silver. Or B point देखिए, if you see in the diagram, so B point पे देखिए, O point पे देखिए, सबसे पहले O point पर क्या है, सिल्वर कितना है 2.6% है, सिल्वर 2.6% and B point पे लीड कितना होगा, फिर सिल्वर 2.6% है, तो लीड का परसेंटेज कितना होगा, 100 में से माइनस करना है 97.4 एस 100 माइनस 2.6, क्योंकि टोटल 100 है, तो सिल्वर अगर 2.6 है तो लीड कितना होगा 97.4. एंड एट बी that is there is silver 100% silver and the melting point of silver is high. कितना है 961. Remember these points because ऑब्जेक्टिव में आ सकता है मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. 900 सिल्वर का कितना है 961. इट हैज हाई बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. नाउ at O, silver is 2.6% and point P is freezing point of pure silver. Therefore, solid silver and liquid silver are in equilibrium. Now at point B, solid silver and liquid silver are in equilibrium. If lead is added in it, its freezing point decreases. अगर इसमें lead add करेंगे तो क्या होगा, freezing point decrease होगा. We are seen in the diagram, that is here also decreases and here also decreases. If lead is added in it, its freezing point decreases and solid silver and solution of lead in silver come in equilibrium. We get curve BO. So we get the curve BO. Temperature at O is 303. See the temperature at O. This temperature at O is 303 degrees centigrade and percentage of silver is, that is 2.6. Remember this point O is called as eutectic point and this temperature 303 is called as eutectic temperature. Later on we see what is what is called as eutectic point. This OA and OB, they meet at O point and this is called as the eutectic point, and this temperature 303 degrees centigrade, this temperature is called as eutectic temperature. And what is the percentage of, that is lead, and what is the percentage of lead at eutectic point? ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ सकता है आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव में, 4 ऑप्शन देंगे उसमें. तो आप eutectic point पर सिल्वर का परसेंटेज कितना है 2.6 है, तो लीड का कितना होगा 100 में से माइनस करना है इसको, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2.6 सिल्वर का है, तो रिमेनिंग परसेंटेज इज द परसेंटेज ऑफ लीड. 100 minus 2.6, it is 97.9. that is 4. So in this way, the percentage of that is lead can be calculated from the eutectic point. Now if lead is added in it, its a freezing point decreases and solid silver and solution of lead is in silver liquid comes in equilibrium and we get the curve BO. Temperature at O is 303. Remember this temperature को नाम है eutectic temperature. Examination में पूछा गया है कि in lead silver system eutectic temperature is as EUTEC TIC. आगे आएगा, that is a 303 degree centigrade. Remember that. And melting point or boiling point of silver याद रखिए, that is 961 degree centigrade. Now following are the main features of this system. Curve AO and OB represent monovariant system. अब दो कर्व हैं इसमें AO and OB, they are monovariant. क्योंकि कोई भी phase diagram, if you see the phase diagram of that is a lead water system, 3 points we have to consider. First is curves AO and BO. These are the curves. Now areas, 3 areas are there: AOB, BO, A and AOC. So these are the 3 areas. And points, 1 point is there. वहां पर वाटर सिस्टम में ट्रिपल पॉइंट कहा गया था उसे, ट्रिपल पॉइंट. 3 कर्व्स थे उसमें और वो तीनों O पर मिल रहे थे. और यहाँ पे 2 कर्व they meet at O and it is called as the eutectic point O. Understand? And eutectic temperature is 303. So first curves AO and OB represent monovariant system. Curves AO and OB are monovariant system. Now why they are called as monovariant? Because the value of F is 1. Value of F is 1. So how value of F1 किस तरह से आई बता सकते हैं क्या आपको? What is the formula for lead silver system? F is equal to C minus P plus 1. लेड सिल्वर कंडेंस फॉर्मूला है, याद रखिए. और वाटर सिस्टम में +2 लेना है. यहाँ पर जो लीड सिल्वर सिस्टम है वहां पे कंडेंस्ड और रिड्यूस्ड फॉर्मूला बिकॉज प्रेशर इज एब्सेंट, सो +1 लेना है. C is equal to F is equal to C minus P plus that is 1. Now what is the value of C? 2. C की वैल्यू 2 है. P फेजेस कितने हैं? 2 है. +1 कैलकुलेट कीजिए कितना आएगा. F is equal to C minus P plus 1. C की वैल्यू 2 है और P की वैल्यू भी 2 है. कितना आएगा आंसर? Let's write down in the chat box. 1 आएगा, करेक्ट. C 2 minus 2 plus 1. 2 minus 2 plus 1 that is the 1. और F की वैल्यू 1 आ रही है तो सिस्टम क्या होगी? मोनोवेरिएंट होगी. तो कर्व AO and OB are मोनोवेरिएंट. तो आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव में देखिए, थ्योरेटिकल क्वेश्चन नहीं आने वाले हैं इस पर कि कर्व लीड सिल्वर सिस्टम में AO और OB जो कर्व हैं वो कैसे हैं. ऐसा क्वेश्चन आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव में आ सकता है. ऑप्शन रहेंगे नॉन वेरिएंट, मोनोवेरिएंट, बाइवेरिएंट या ट्राइवेरिएंट. दे आर मोनोवेरिएंट. कैसे मालूम किया आपने? F is equal to C minus P plus 1. C कंपोनेंट 2 है इसमें, लीड और सिल्वर, और फेजेस कितने हैं? 2 है. +1. सो 2 minus 2 plus 1 that is 1. Now different area represent bivariant. जो एरियाज हैं हम आगे देखेंगे किस तरह से बाइवेरिएंट है. F की वैल्यू 2 आएगी, कैलकुलेट करेंगे बाद में. Now point O represent eutectic point which represent non variant. eutectic point क्या है? नॉन वेरिएंट है. वो भी किस तरह से नॉन वेरिएंट, यानी F की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 0 आएगी. किस तरह से आएगी वो हम आगे देखेंगे. सो कर्व AO, फर्स्ट कर्व देखेंगे. वी हैव टू स्टडी दिस ग्राफ और फेज डायग्राम ऑफ लीड सिल्वर सिस्टम इन 3 पार्ट्स: कर्व्स, एरियाज एंड पॉइंट्स. कल जिस तरह से हमने वाटर सिस्टम का देखा था, दैट इज अ कर्व, एरिया एंड पॉइंट्स. सो इसी तरह जो लीड सिल्वर सिस्टम में भी सबसे पहले हम कर्व्स देखेंगे. देयर आर 2 कर्व्स AO and OB. So first curve AO. A is freezing point of pure lead. Point A is called, डायग्राम में देखें, सीधा डायग्राम देखिए, बार बार ये करना पड़े. तो पॉइंट A, this is its value, temperature is 327. Temperature decreases at O, and at point B silver is 100%. Its boiling point 961 degree centigrade here, and these OA and OB meet at O and it is called as eutectic point. At eutectic point The temperature is 303 degree centigrade. At eutectic point, percentage of silver is 2.6 and percentage of lead is 97.4. So curve A is the freezing point of pure lead. At this point देखिए टेम्परेचर कितना है वहां पर, याद रखिए 300 हमने देखा है फेज डायग्राम में 327 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. Solid lead is in equilibrium with liquid lead. When pure silver is added to lead metal, the freezing point of lead lower along the curves AO. जब क्या करेंगे इसमें, when pure silver is added, क्योंकि सिल्वर उसमें मिला रहे हैं तो सिल्वर का परसेंटेज बढ़ रहा है और लीड का परसेंटेज क्या हो रहा है, कम हो रहा है. Then what will happen? Freezing point of lead lower along the curve AO. Freezing point of lead decreases along the curve AO, which can be shown in phase diagram. Thus, AO is the freezing point curve of lead in presence of silver. Along this curve, solid lead is in equilibrium with liquid melt. ये AO में क्या होता है, solid lead, और इसमें equilibrium है with liquid melt solution of silver in lead. Therefore, there are two phases along this curve at any point, and number of component is 2 on applying condensed phase rule. So remember this formula, F is equal to C minus P plus 1. This is called as condensed or reduced, कम करके क्या obtain किया हुआ, that is reduced phase rule equation. F is equal to C minus P plus 1. Component कितने हैं, 2 हैं, और phases भी 2 है. Put the values plus 1, so it is 2 and 2 get cancelled plus 1. If the value of 1 is F is 1, the system is univariant or that is the monovariant. So curve AO is monovariant because the value of F is 1 and system is univariant or monovariant. Now next curve, BO curve, that is shown in diagram. This is B and this O, BO curve. Now here highest temperature 961 of silver, where 0% lead is there, 100% silver is there. Point B indicate the melting point of pure silver. जो point B phase diagram में दिखाई दे रहा है, it is the melting point of pure silver, and melting point of silver का कितना है, 961 degree centigrade. 961 degree centigrade. When lead is gradually added, the freezing point of silver is lowered along the curve BO. यानी क्या कर रहे हैं, when lead is gradually added, because 100% silver is there, so we have to add lead. Then freezing point of silver is lower, कम होता है, decreases along the curve BO. B का point highest है 961, and it decreases along point BO. This curve is called as freezing point curve of silver. The BO curve, देखिए, this BO curve is called as freezing point curve of, that is the silver. B to A, A to O. This curve is called freezing point curve of silver. Here solid silver is in equilibrium with liquid melt. Again here there are two phases. Now again calculate the value of F. Thus there are two phases at any point on this curve. Again on applying the condensed phase rule equation, we get F is equal to 1. Previous में जो दिया गया है वही होगा, F is equal to C minus P plus 1. Number of component 2 हैं. Number of phases also 2, and formula is F is equal to C minus P plus 1. Put the value, C is equal to 2 रखिए, P and P phases 2 रखिए. So 2 minus 2 plus 1, we get 1. And if the value of F is 1, the curve is univariant or that is monovariant like AO. And a lead silver system में दोनों curve AO as well as curve BO, they are univariant or monovariant because the value of degree of freedom is 1. So this is regarding the curve. Now next is points. एक ही point है इसमें O point, and that point is called as eutectic point. और वाटर सिस्टम में उस पॉइंट को क्या कहा गया था, ट्रिपल पॉइंट कहा गया था, यूटेक्टिक पॉइंट. और यहाँ पर लीड सिल्वर सिस्टम में इसे क्या कहा गया है, यूटेक्टिक पॉइंट. Now two curve AO and BO meet at point O. दो जो कर्व है फेज डायग्राम ऑफ लीड सिल्वर सिस्टम में, so the two curve AO and BO they meet at point O, this point being common to both the curves. ये जो O point है A के लिए भी है और B के लिए भी है, that is लीड के लिए भी है और सिल्वर के लिए भी है, represent the condition under which three phases are equilibrium. इन पॉइंट O पर थ्री फेजेस इक्विलिब्रियम में रहेंगे. थ्री फेजेस, रिमेंबर दैट. कौन कौन से फेजेस रहेंगे? एक तो सॉलिड लीड, दूसरा सॉलिड सिल्वर और तीसरा solution of silver and that is lead. Solution of silver and are in equilibrium. So at point O, three phases are in equilibrium. Number one phase solid lead, number two phase silver solid or solid silver, and third one solution of silver and lead. So there are three phases. So calculate the degree of freedom. F is equal to C minus P plus 1, condensed phase rule. Then C की वैल्यू कितनी है? 2 है और P की वैल्यू कितनी है? 3 है, because at point O there are three phases. Put the values. F is equal to C minus P plus 1, then 2 minus 3. C की वैल्यू 2 है और P की वैल्यू 3 है. So 2 minus 3 plus 1. So what is the value? 0. So this is the, if the value of F is 0, then the system is non-variant. Non-variant. Or invariant या non-variant. So how the value of F is 0? Because there are three phases and two component system is there. 2 minus 3 plus 1, so it becomes 0. So remember that at eutatic point, that is system is dash dash. आपको क्वेश्चन आ सकता है ऑब्जेक्टिव में, यूटेटिक पॉइंट पर सिस्टम कैसी होती है? मोनोवेरिएंट, डाइवेरिएंट, ट्राइवेरिएंट या इनवेरिएंट. इनवेरिएंट या नॉन वेरिएंट भी कह सकते हैं. सो इट इज द यूटेटिक पॉइंट पर सिस्टम कैसी होती है? नॉन वेरिएंट और इनवेरिएंट, बिकॉज द वैल्यू ऑफ F is 0, because there are two component and that is three phases, and we have to use condensed phase rule equation. F is equal to C minus P plus 1. Put the values, then we get the answer 0. Thus the point O is non-variant. Non-variant या invariant. This point lies at temperature 303. देखिए टेम्परेचर याद रखिए उसका, यूटेटिक टेम्परेचर. ये आप ऑब्जेक्टिव में आता है, यूटेटिक टेम्परेचर इज डैश. 4 वैल्यूज देंगे आपको, तो याद रखिए 303, 303 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, विच इज लोअर देन द मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ सिल्वर एज वेल एज लीड मेटल. मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ लीड कितना है? 327 और मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ सिल्वर कितना है? 961. तो ये दोनों से कम है. देखिए यूटेटिक टेम्परेचर कितना है? लीड का कितना है मेल्टिंग पॉइंट? 327, 327, और सिल्वर का कितना है? 961, और यूटेटिक टेम्परेचर कितना है? 303. तो यूटेटिक टेम्परेचर मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ लीड एज वेल एज मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ सिल्वर से कम है. द कंपोजिशन एट पॉइंट इज, कंपोजिशन बताया मैंने, लीड का कितना है? सिल्वर का 2.6 एंड लीड का कितना होगा फिर? 97.4. ये परसेंटेज भी पूछता है एग्जामिनेशन में. Therefore the point O is called eutatic point. That is the lowest temperature. जैसा critical temperature था वाटर डायग्राम में, critical temperature that is higher temperature, उसी तरह यहाँ पे लीड सिल्वर सिस्टम में क्या है? That is eutatic temperature, and eutatic temperature is the lowest temperature. कम टेम्परेचर को हम जो है eutatic temperature कहते हैं. Therefore the point O is called eutatic point, that is the lowest temperature at which the liquid melt can exist. So the lowest temperature at which the liquid melt can exist, the temperature at this point is called eutatic temperature. इस point के temperature को हम eutatic temperature कहते हैं. And composition at this point O is known as eutatic mixture. Composition को क्या कहेंगे? That is eutatic mixture. And this line, if you see, देखिए C and D, CD line, CO या CD या COD line अगर देखेंगे, this line is called as eutatic line. See the diagram, this C at 303 and end at D, and this line is called as eutatic line. This is eutatic temperature, and this C2D line, CD line, this or COD line. Sometimes we can say some book में COD दिया हुआ है, in some book directly CD. That is, this line is called as eutatic line. So this is regarding the eutatic, that is point. And last is the area. Now here area above AOB, area above AOB. Now see the areas. Here A in the diagram, this is A point, AOB, this is area. Or above the AOB, this area, this area. Now second area AOC, this is the second area, or BOD, and this is the third area. Here are the three areas, AOB, AOC, and BOD. We see that is areas. The area above curve AOB, कर्व AOB के जो ऊपर एरिया है वो एरिया देखना है. In this area silver and lead are present, silver and lead दोनों present हैं as homogeneous, homogeneous में same है in liquid solution. Thus there is only one phase, यानी AOB एरिया में only one phase रहेगा. कौन सा रहेगा? silver and lead, and दोनों क्या है? homogeneous है, that is in liquid form. There is only one phase, there is only one phase, that is the value of P is 1. So what is the degree of freedom? P की value 1 रखिए. F is, what is the formula? F is equal to, apply the condensed or reduced phase rule. F is equal to C minus P plus 1. C की value 2 रहेगी, 2 component है, minus P 1 है यहाँ पे कर्व में, AOB कर्व में C की value, P की value 1 है, 2 minus 1 plus 1, and this minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, 2 remains. So in areas the value of F is 2. F की वैल्यू 2 है, तो सिस्टम कैसी होगी? बायवेरिएंट. Therefore system is bivariant. Now area below line COD, देखिए COD लाइन देखिए ग्राफ में COD, there is the C, this is the COD, ये एरिया देखता है CO below the line, sorry COD, ये यूटेटिक लाइन के नीचे का एरिया पढ़ो. द एरिया बिलो द यूटेटिक लाइन COD, ये एरिया नीचे का जो एरिया है, द एरिया बिलो द यूटेटिक लाइन. So what is the property of this area? We see now no liquid phase is present below line COD. COD के जो नीचे है उसमें लिक्विड नहीं है. Solid silver and silver lead is present. So below line COD only solid silver and solid lead is present. In this area, as 2 phases are there. In this area, there are 2 phases. Yani area below line COD, there are 2 phases. So what is the degree of freedom? Degree of freedom क्या होगी? C 2 है और F P भी 2 है. What is the formula? F is equal to C minus P. I have written directly. C minus P plus 1. C की वैल्यू 2 है और F की वैल्यू भी 2 है, तो कितना आएगा? 1. करेक्ट, चैट बॉक्स में आया है आंसर. सो इट इज द आंसर. और F की वैल्यू 1 है तो सिस्टम क्या होगी? मोनोवेरिएंट होगी. यस, दिस इज ए मोनोवेरिएंट सिस्टम. द एरिया बिलो लाइन COD इज मोनोवेरिएंट. रिमेंबर ये एरिया उसके आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव में यही आएगा कि AOB एरिया कैसा है, देन एरिया बिलो लाइन COD कैसा, कैसे मीन्स सिस्टम कैसी है, मोनोवेरिएंट है, डाइवेरिएंट है, ट्राइवेरिएंट है या इनवेरिएंट है. द वेरिएबल इज टेम्परेचर, प्रेशर वेरिएबल इज एब्सेंट. लेट अस कंसीडर एन आइसोथर्मल फेज चेंज ऑन द लाइन KLMN. नाउ सी इन द डायग्राम, एक लाइन है आइसोथर्मल चेंज. कौन सी लाइन? ये K, दिस इज K, दिस इज L, दिस इज M, एंड लास्टली N. डॉटेड लाइन देखिए KLMN. So what is the property of this line? We see the property of this KLMN. So let us consider the isothermal phase change on line KLMN. At K solid lead is present. K पर देखिए on y-axis there is at K solid lead is present. When silver is added in its another phase, अगर silver add करेंगे, that is liquids or silver solution in lead comes into existence. On further going from K to L, K से L की तरफ जाएंगे तो क्या होगा? On further addition of silver in lead, solid lead decreases and melt increases and lead becomes minimum at L. यानी लीड कम कहाँ कौन से पॉइंट पर होगा? दैट इज एट L पॉइंट द क्वांटिटी ऑफ लीड इज मिनिमम और इट इज लोअर. Melt dominant within LM, that is solid lead, convert into liquid. At point M, silver crystal began to appear, that is solid silver, and melt come into equilibrium. From M to N, concentration of melt decreases and that of solid silver increases. And finally at N, that is only solid silver exists and melt disappears. So remember only there is area below line COD is monovariate. बाकी की चीजें इतने ये नहीं है. Last point from this that is lead silver system is desilverization of lead, or it is also called as that is Paschen's process, or it is also called as Pasteurization. Generally short note इस पर आती है examination में, theoretical examination में. This is method for removing silver from lead. लीड में से सिल्वर निकालने का जो मेथड है उस मेथड को हम क्या कहते हैं? डीसिल्वराइजेशन ऑफ लीड. एंड इट इज डिस्कवर्ड बाय साइंटिस्ट ह्यूग ली पैशंस इन 1829 एंड patented in 1833. The process is dependent on the fact that lead which has least silver, यानी लीड जिस सिल्वर में लिस्ट का सिल्वर कम है, in its solidifies first on liquefaction. ये क्या होगा? उसका सॉलिड में कन्वर्जन होगा, लिविंग द रिमेनिंग लिक्विड विच आर इन सिल्वर. और जो लिक्विड मिलेगा उस लिक्विड में क्या होगा? सिल्वर ज्यादा होगा. इन प्रैक्टिस सेवरल क्रिस्टलाइजेशन वेयर कैरिड आउट. सो Paschen's equipment consisted basically nothing more complex than a row of up to 13 iron pot. 13 iron pot के रो लिया है Paschen's ने, which were heated from below. Some lead, naturally containing a small percentage of silver, was loaded into the central pot and melted. This was then allowed to cool. As the lead solidified, it was removed using large perforated iron plates and moved to the next pot in one direction. And the remaining metal, which was now richer in silver, was then transferred to the next pot in the opposite direction. The process was repeated from the one pot to the next, the lead accumulating in the pot at one end and metal enriched in silver in the pot at the other. तो ये है Paschen process. इस पर जो है ऑब्जेक्टिव में क्वेश्चन नहीं आएंगे, खाली साइंटिस्ट का नेम याद रखिए. Desilverization of lead is carried out by dash discovered by dash scientist. साइंटिस्ट का नाम आ सकता है आपको. बाकी का theoretical part इस पे क्वेश्चंस उतने इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. So remember the name of scientist, that is desilverization means removal of silver from lead is called desilverization, and this is the process. It is discovered by scientists, that is the Paschen's. So this is about the lead silver system. So in lead silver system, remember the melting. See objective questions में क्या आ सकता है इसमें? तो सबसे पहले जो है सिल्वर का जो है मेल्टिंग पॉइंट 961 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, रिमेंबर दैट. देन मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ लीड 327. नाउ AO और OB कर्व कैसे है? मोनोवेरिएंट है, डाइवेरिएंट है, ट्राइवेरिएंट है, इनवेरिएंट है, रिमेंबर दैट. नाउ इटरेटिक पॉइंट पर इटरेटिक टेम्परेचर कितना है? 303 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. At point O, what is the percentage of? That is silver 2.6% and percentage of lead 97 that is 4%. And remember at point O, that is system is monovariant, bivariant, yeah, trivariant. And again, that is a curve O is, that is monovariant, value of that is F is 1. BO also is, that is monovariant, F is 1. Now iteratic point क्या है? It is non-variant or invariant because the value of F is 0. And ये percentage iteratic temperature 303 degree Celsius and silver का percentage composition 2.6 and lead का 97.4%. And curve O curve area above curve AOB, it is that is bivariant because the value of f is 2. Here only one phase is present. And this is area below line COD. Area below line COD is monovariant. So, and lastly, desilverization of lead. Okay, so this is regarding the lead silver system. In the next period, we see solid solution. Okay, so if you have any difficulty, please ask. 2 or 3 minutes remains. Otherwise, we will stop.